Hey everyone, welcome to the vlog today, and here was just my breakfast. Remember yesterday I did those make-ahead eggs? Some of you were really interested. The recipe recommends you do it in the microwave. I actually did mine in the air fryer, and it was really good. It made them really crispy on top, which I really enjoyed. It was like an egg McMuffin kind of thing, with a great, really good taste. So I enjoyed that. I just put it in the air fryer, and I added an organic banana with it, and lunch was very basic. I just had that make-ahead pasta. Someone wanted a recipe. All I do is I just cook pasta, boil it, put it in the skillet with olive oil and just some chicken, and I put on peppercorn and Himalayan pink salt, and it's that easy, and I love it. I just mix all that together, and that was it. So that was really great. I'm loving this meal prep. I'm definitely going to continue to do it. Alright, so I just got back from CVS, and this was like the final straw. I can't take CVS anymore. I'm going to explain it in greater detail. I just wanted to give you all the update. So stay tuned, don't leave. I just need to go to Walmart, and I think Rite Aid, but CVS, I can't take it. Like, my stress, I'm trying to keep my stress at a minimal right now, because I know stress can really, like, alter the healing process for, inflammation and stuff, and I am not going to waste my time getting stressed over CVS over some stupid makeup that no one in my family is even going to use. So, yeah, CVS was a nightmare, but I'm going to explain that in greater detail when I get back from Walmart, so stay tuned if you want to hear about my drama. But I'm going to go to Walmart and hopefully Rite Aid to get some more makeup, right? No, I'm going to get some other stuff at Rite Aid too. My grandma actually wants something at Rite Aid. I can use my gold discount. I'm just going to let her use my Rite Aid gift card on that, and then I'm going to just get a couple other deals maybe. But CVS, I'll explain all that when I get home. Alright, so a lot of you, I thought you might want to see Noah. He's home now, but still we're trying to help him recover. He's still kind of, he's still pretty sick. He's got out of the keto acidosis and the pancreatitis, but he's still just recovering and trying to get his sugar straightened up. But I just wanted to show him to you briefly. And I'm in here kind of babysitting him right now. Alright, so it's the end of the night, and I'm going to tell you now about my coupon drama. So I wanted to tell you all about that. I told you I would. I went to Rite Aid, I went to Walmart, I have haul videos up. But CVS and Rite Aid both were a nightmare. I couldn't believe it, how awful. I expected to pay no more than $4 today. I paid $23, and I don't even know what happened, so I don't even know how to correct any of it. Now, I'm getting back $850 in rebates, plus I'll hit level 1, so $950 in rebates. So I guess it isn't horrible, but it's not good either. I'm really, really disappointed in how it all worked out today. So I'm just going to get on the line and tell you, because I know a lot of you think, oh, Nick goes couponing and has no issues. Today was like the worst dad thing I've ever had with couponing. I have never had back-to-back failure experiences. So first up, let's talk about CVS. Went to CVS, and I did one train. Okay, first up, I went in the store. I went to the Magic Coupon Center thing. I scanned my card, and it was jammed, so it screwed everything up. So I got the guy, the cashier. I've never seen him. He works in the pharmacy. I'm pretty sure he works in the pharmacy. He's never cashiered up front. I see him in the pharmacy, though. So anyways, I got him. I asked him to come fix the machine, and he did that very kindly. Well, guess what? Some of my coupons started printing and got stuck in there. So my mouthwash CRT ripped. So that was gone. I was going to get some free mouthwash, but the CRT ripped. So I had to come up with a new plan. But I didn't notice that until I got it at the register. So I did this first. So I lost a bunch there. I had to scan my card like 5 times to get it to finally work. So I went up and did this first transaction. I got 2 of the Luden's cough drops. They were $2.49, buy one, get one half price. I had 75% off 2 coupon, and I used a $3 beauty buck. So I bought it down to 6 cents. I don't even know how that happened, but I only paid 6 cents for this. And I got back $3. So that was a good transaction. I almost wish I would have stopped there. So I went up, and I did a transaction. I grabbed, let me just go ahead and pull all this stuff. If you want specific deal breakdowns, definitely check out my haul, because there was a lot there. I grabbed these two Sally Hansen's that were on a deal. I had a $3 CRT, and they were buy two, get five. I went ahead and grabbed 3 of these stupid CoverGirl eye pencils. I was expecting to make me so much money, and look how much I ended up paying today. $4.99 now. They're not $4.69 anymore. $4.99, buy 3, or no, buy $15 worth, get a $6 ECB or something like that. And then I grabbed this cough drop. Then I grabbed these 2 L'Oreal hairsprays. Alright, so the Sally Hansen CRT worked. This worked just fine. I had a $3 CRT on this. Worked just fine. Alright, there's an instant coupon this week printing at the Red Box for $2 off of 2. He goes through and scans my stack of coupons, and he gives it back and says, I can't do anything about this. I'm like, what are you talking about? He points out that on that CRT, it has a different card number. And I was like, what the world? Because I could have swore it printed on that same receipt as, and it did. It printed on that same slip. I scanned that CVS card. Let's somehow printed with a different CVS card. And I have no idea why. Was it maybe when, and here's what my guess is, when the extra care coupon machine or whatever glitched and he pulled it out of the machine, like he opened the machine and pulled the coupons out, I bet someone else's L'Oreal CRT wound up there and I didn't even notice it and I never got mine. That's the only possible guess I have. So, wouldn't offer to push it through, and I told him, well, it printed out on the same receipt, and he said, no, it didn't. Like I was lying. He said, no, it didn't. He said, I can't do anything. No, it didn't print on the same receipt. I can't take it. I was like, alright, so you're not going to take my CRT because your stupid machine was down. You're going to punish me for that. Don't put something in your ad if you're not going to take it. I'm not trying to be mean, but that really ticked me off. So I paid $2 more for that. And Amy, I told her, she's like the CVS know-it-all. I told her, you need to write a book on CVS because I don't have the slightest clue how to make it all work. Just when I thought I was getting the hang of it, something like this happens today. Unbelievable. CoverGirl. Alright, so I asked him, did my 3 off of 15 coupon come off? And he said, nope, it didn't. Apparently it actually did on the receipt, so this kind of worked out, but he told me, get this, he said, no, it wouldn't have come off because you didn't spend $15 in cash. We're not going to take $3 off. You have to actually spend $15 in cash to get $3 off. And I was like, whoa. So CVS was going to be, I had calculated the subtotal was 12 cents. Now, maybe I was off a little bit. I went back and added it again. It should have been like $1. Subtotal was $3.24 because that L'Oreal coupon didn't work. That's unacceptable for me. I don't do stuff like this. For these things that we won't even, no one's going to use as eyebrow pencils in my family. So, I paid $3.24 for that. Yeah, I'll get $1.50 for my Ibotta, so $1.50, that's still unacceptable. Now, was it a moneymaker after ECBs? Yeah, it was, but I'm more focused on real cash. I don't really want to pay $5 for those things. So, Amy said I should contact corporate, and they'll probably issue me an ECB back for $2. I guess I'll do it. I mean, at this point, I can't take it back because they won't give you anything because they used ECBs. That kind of was it with me and CVS. I mean, I don't know. Maybe I'll go back and at least blow the ECBs, or maybe I'll keep trying to roll it. I honestly am not sure, but I don't have time for that kind of drama in my life. We've had a lot going on. My mom barely found a spare moment from being able to watch the cat. She found someone to watch him so I could run in CVS. And I was there for a legit hour because there was just so much drama. And it's not worth it. And I didn't have time to sit there and correct it or fight with it because we had to get back home. So it was just like, oh my gosh, CVS was ridiculous. I don't do crap like this. I don't pay $5.30 for, yeah, I got 3 things of cough drops, 2 hairsprays, 2 nail polish, and these 3 makeup. We don't, the people in my family don't use eyebrow pencils. So, I would usually maybe be halfway decent with it, and I will get $1.50 for my Ibotta, but still, it's just like, I don't do crap like that. So, I'm on the fence. Do I keep up CVS, or should I just, I don't know what to do. Because I'm not doing stuff like that again. And I was just getting the hang of CRTs. And I had to send the CoverGirl as a digital, and that was my issue. I prefer the paper version. He refused. I asked him, before we did my coupons, can you see if the CoverGirl came off? And he said, oh, no, we can't do that. We have to do your coupons first. CVS was stupid today, and I really don't know if I care to go back. I know everyone has experiences like this. Now, I'm not going to quit Rite Aid, but Rite Aid sucked also, and I'm going to kind of tell you how. So I went to Rite Aid. No, it wasn't a coupon problem. All my coupons worked just fine. Let me just show you on the bag. I did a whole entire haul for Rite Aid, so I'm not going to go over it all again. And this was just annoying. Let me get the... All that was Rite Aid. And that. All that stuff was Rite Aid. And so... I was doing one massive transaction, ringing up all those items from the dollar spot for my grandma's Christmas. She's going to really like that. She loves practical gifts like that. All that stuff, the Clairol hair color, the CoverGirl eye pencils, the CoverGirl face products. I know those weren't a moneymaker. And the Suave Men, they're actually gone. My dad took one of them. There's one of them there, I guess. I was going to do all in one transaction, use my bonus cash, pay nothing, go down in bonus cash, spend some of it out on things I actually needed, and I'd be all right with it. Okay, so we're mid-transaction, right? He's scanning, and he says, oh, I didn't get your card. Do you mind if I scan it? And I scanned it, and it said, would you like to use your bonus cash? Well, I just hit yes, because I thought it would take it off at the end, like it always does. Nope. Bam. Took off my bonus cash mid-transaction. No coupons. No nothing. So, and keep in mind, I had 2 of these dumb hair colors on that transaction in the swab. That was... 8 something in coupons, $8.63 in coupons. So it ate up $8.63 in my bonus cash right there. Yeah, major issue. That's not good. That was bad. So what he wound up doing was doing a refund. He refunded me my money. I think it was even more mistakes than that. Yeah, it ate up more of my bonus cash than that because I hadn't even had the coupons yet. So it literally ate up $18. That makes perfect sense. That's what I paid is $18 because it ate up $18 of my bonus cash on that stupid swab in the Clairol. Yeah. So, that's what happened. It paid for all that stuff. So guess what happened? He rang up my coupons and everything. He was like, you owe $18. He had to do another transaction with the rest of the stuff. Oh, I almost wish I would have canceled the whole thing, but I drove all the way to Rite Aid, stood in that line for 20 minutes. I don't know. I'm just like... Ugh. And I will get back $7 at Rite Aid. Yeah, I'll get back $7 at Rite Aid, so it's not the worst, but it's just like, I don't do crap like this. I paid $23. Now, I did get back a total of $9.50 in rebates today with the level 2. So, I don't know, 23 with tax, got back $9.50. That's kind of like... $14, which, I don't know. Now, did I end with a bunch of store credit? I ended with a ton of store credit today. It's like I was investing like a newbie would to get store credit. I just don't do crap like that. So I was really, really upset. Yeah, couponing, and I could have just canceled the transactions, but I didn't even know how. That was so deep in at that point, I didn't even know how to cancel the transaction or what to do. The guy at Rite Aid was so nice, I didn't want to, but the guy at Rite Aid, I don't know. He was just so kind. I didn't really want to cause any issues. And I did get a lot of stuff like these. I got all these like things for my grandma. Gifts like this. I don't know. I'll for sure go down to Rite Aid and use the money later on. I don't know. That was awful. Rite Aid was a mess. So there, my bonus cash. That's another thing. He rung it up as a return. So a bunch of bonus cash is probably going to be in my account tomorrow. Like $50 of bonus cash. That's going to suck because that's a lot of money to roll. I was trying to spend some of it out today. Instead, I had to spend out real cash on some hair color and CoverGirl and, these things, I guess. I don't know. It was a mess couponing today, and that's kind of how my day was. So, yeah, it doesn't always go perfect for me. I want to keep that in mind. It really doesn't. And then I went to Walmart, and I got this. This was annoying, too. I got this stupid baby oil. And it took me like 5 minutes to get the coupon to scan. I had to do so many different combinations on the self-checkout scan, and finally I got it. But it took me like 5 minutes to even get the scan. So whatever. But finally, Walmart at least went out pretty good. So yeah, I don't know. It was a day of drama out couponing. It really wasn't very good. I spent way more money than I wanted to. I don't do stuff like this is the problem. I do not do stuff like this. But I didn't know what else to do, so I kind of just rolled with it. So yeah, CVS is definitely not worth the headache. I love Rite Aid too, but that was a pain. I hope next time, I don't know, I'm almost tempted to have him scan my card at the end from now on and see if they potentially be okay with it. But the one cashier, usually, most of those Rite Aid cashiers are good about not doing the bonus cash, but I don't like having this much in bonus cash for that reason. And I'm actually really excited. I saw Rite Aid in January is doing a promo where they're going to give you a Rite Aid gift card. I noticed that today on I Heart Rite Aid instead of bonus cash. And I'm excited for that because gift cards don't expire. So I wouldn't have to worry about it expiring, and then I also wouldn't have to worry about using it before my coupons. I do my coupons and I hand over my gift card. That is what I'm looking forward to, and I'm hoping Rite Aid continues stuff like that because I really, really enjoy doing gift card deals rather than just bonus cash. So yeah, that is kind of it. But CVS, I'm on the fence about it. I'm definitely not going next week. I need a break from them. I really need a break from CVS. It's just like, I might go in and just blow it at the first of the year unless something really great. I saw someone and I heard CVS said CVS is going to be making major changes in January, and it's not good for couponers. I don't know. I always get in it around Thanksgiving, and I'm even surprised I kept going with it this long. If any of you have had these kind of issues at CVS where stuff just doesn't work, please let me know. Have you ever had it where it randomly printed out a CRT for a different card number? But, yeah, today was drama. Straight up drama. Pretty much every store except for Walmart. Awful. Awful. But I did get some Christmas gifts. I just got 2 little gifts today. And, all that stuff at CVS. I'll show you. I got my grandma these sponges. With my gold discount, they're 80 cents. I got her some gloves. I'm impressed with Rite Aid's dollar section. I love that. I got her these generic Swiffers. She's going to love that. 80 cents. Got her this dustpan. She does the Dollar Tree, but I think Rite Aid stuff's a lot nicer, in all honesty. Got her these scrubby things. Scrubbing sponges. I got her these laundry clothespins because she's one of those people, when it's hot, she'll hang her clothes outside, which I don't know why, but that's what she wants to do. I actually grabbed 3 of these dish soaps for 80 cents gold price, and there were 50 cent freshness peelies. So, hey, I'll take them for 30 cents, and she'll love that. I also grabbed her 2 of these air fresheners. And I grabbed one of these scrubbing pads again. And I also got her 2 of these dish towels. And I grabbed her 2 of these 2 packs of washcloths. And I was really happy with that at Rite Aid. I didn't think that was bad at all. And I like Rite Aid. I really do. I like them better than CVS. So, I don't know. I'm almost tempted to go to CVS and just buy a bunch of dollar items and be like, done. Peace out, CVS. All right, and then for my, I want you all, if you're family, shut this off at this point. I also got my uncle some socks. I know that's a pathetic gift, but I just went ahead and did it. I finished him out. He always needs socks, so whatevs. And then for my grandparents, I am so excited about this. And my grandma was with me at the store, so I had to hide this from her. That was like the hardest thing. I got them this family photo frame, and I'm going to put some family photos in it. I love it. Walmart had it for $15.84. The socks were from Walmart. And I know my grandma and my grandpa, they're both going to really love that. So I got to get pictures made off for that. But I really love that gift. And I extended the budget a little bit. I know, that's crazy. Just a little bit. I like to get them a photo gift. There's just something about it. My grandma's a very sentimental person about stuff like that. So I like to get her photo gifts. So, yeah, that's all I have for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.